After the meteor storm, the cloud spirit guided Emma and Alex to a beautiful place in the sky, the nebula source. The nebula shimmered with radiant light, and the cloud spirit spoke to them.
This is the nebula source. It will restore the strength of your cloud. But remember, the light here is powerful. Only those with a pure heart can harness its energy.
Wow, this place is so beautiful.
How do we use the light to strengthen our cloud?
Focus on the light, feel its energy, and let it fill you with strength.
Emma and Alex held their hands out toward the nebula. A beam of light wrapped around their cloud, making it brighter and stronger.
Well done! Your cloud is now ready for the final challenge.
Emma and Alex were finally near the Sky Temple, but before they could reach it, a dark vortex appeared before them, the shadow abyss.
This looks scary. How do we get through?
We've faced worse challenges. Let's go.
As they approached the abyss, a tall, dark figure emerged from the shadows, the Lord of Darkness.
You think you can stop me? I will crush you.
We will stop you, because we believe in the light.
We're not afraid of you.
The Lord of Darkness sent shadow balls flying toward them, but Emma and Alex's cloud shielded them, and they fought back with the power of the light.
Let's use the light crystal.
Together, we can defeat him.
They held the light crystal high, and it exploded with radiant energy, pushing the Lord of Darkness back into the abyss. The darkness vanished. After defeating the Lord of Darkness, Emma and Alex flew higher, reaching the Sky Temple. The sky was still dim, but it was beginning to glow with the light they had restored.
We did it, Alex. The sky is almost fully restored.
We just need to finish the last step.
They placed the light crystal in the center of the Sky Temple, and a brilliant explosion of light filled the sky.
You have done it. The sky is now safe, and the stars will shine brightly again.
This is amazing.
We did it together.
The sky sparkled with new light, and Emma and Alex knew they had saved the world. After saving the sky, Emma and Alex finally returned to their home. The world seemed so peaceful, and the stars twinkled like they had never twinkled before.
I missed home so much.
I'm glad we're back, but I'll never forget our adventure.
Farewell, my brave adventurers. You have done more than I could ever ask. If the sky ever needs you again, I'll find you.
Goodbye, Cloud Spirit. We'll never forget you.
Thank you for everything.
The cloud spirit vanished into the sky, and Emma and Alex walked back into their home, knowing they would always have the stars to remind them of their adventure.
Do you think people will ever tell our story?
Maybe one day, we'll be a legend.
And so, Emma and Alex lived happily ever after, their adventure a beautiful memory in the sky.